In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts in Notion. Whether you're looking for a fresh look or want to personalize your workspace, adding custom fonts can give your pages a unique touch. Let's dive right into the process. First, we need to log in to Notion. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Notion dashboard where you can access all your existing pages. Now, if you don't have a page ready, no worries. You can simply open one of your existing pages or create a new page by clicking on the New Page option. This flexibility is one of the things that makes Notion such a great tool for organizing your ideas. After you have your page open, locate the More Options menu, represented by 3 dots, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click this, and you'll notice Notion offers you 3 preset font options right off the bat. These are Default, Serif, and Mono. Each of these fonts has its own character. Default is clean and modern. Serif adds a touch of elegance, and Mono gives that technical vibe, perfect for code snippets. Now, if these options don't fulfill your creative vision, you can use external tools to introduce more variety. One popular method is through the Fancy Text Generator by LingoJam. Open your browser and search for Fancy Text Generator by LingoJam. This handy tool allows you to type in text and automatically convert it into a variety of fun and visually striking fonts. You can experiment with different styles until you find one that resonates with your aesthetic. Once you find a font you like on the Fancy Text Generator, simply copy the text. Then, head back to your Notion page and paste it. This can be done directly on the page or within a specific block. For a more organized look, Notion gives you the option to paste inside a callout block. To create one, type callout and select the callout feature. This not only helps in decluttering your page, but also draws attention to your creatively styled text. And don't stop at just customizing the font. With Notion, you can adjust the background color and the icon of your callout block, adding another layer of personalization to your notes or plans. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your needs or the theme you're aiming for. There you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your Notion pages with custom fonts, giving them a more personalized and eye-catching look. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you unlock new creative possibilities in Notion. Feel free to explore, try new fonts, and make your pages truly yours. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.